Hey guys, and welcome back to Plant-Based Kids. I'm Talia.
I'm Soraya. So, Talia, what are we cooking today?
We're not going to make anything to eat. We're making some natural lip gloss.
Why would we do that?
There's a lot of toxin and makeup that can make you sick. So that's why we're making all natural lip gloss.
Okay, that sounds good. So let's get to it.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids! All you need is
some beeswax, some shea butter,
some coconut oil, and we are using essential oil for our scent. You can use any scent of your choice, but we are using lavender.
Colors are optional, but for right now, I'm using some organic beet powder.
I'm using mica powder and rose gold. Let's get cooking. Let's get baking. Let's get makeuping. Our lip gloss is ready.
Look how beautiful it looks. Whoa. Look at the color this beet powder made. It looks beautiful.
And look at the color this mica rose gold powder made. It's so glittery.
Let's try it. Whoa. It feels like it's hydrating my lips, like literally.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to try this all natural lip gloss. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Plant-Based Kids. Subscribe.
Good? How's it feel?
It's soothing and it's fantastic.